welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be something totally different, something you guys have been requesting. This is so much for no reason. Today, I know you're about to be like, oh, no. Yep, today y'all see me, I don't have my wig on or whatever. I'm gonna be going to school with my natural hair.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
I'm gonna be getting people's reactions because I haven't worn my natural hair since freshman year, and I'm a junior, so that's like a whole year I haven't worn my natural hair to school, at least, which it should be obvious because I wear wigs every single day. And all of like the frequent asked questions, like why do you wear wigs, all that jazz, it's because I want my hair to grow and stay healthy, and I'm tired of, like, literally since I was little I used to do my natural hair. Well, I used to get braids all the time, right? And like literally I had box, I had literally every hairstyle you could think of. That's when you guys were telling me, oh, get box braids, get this. I'm like, girl, I already had it, I'm not getting it again. I'm sorry, I don't like braids, because if I like braids, trust me, I would have had them. But yeah, I literally had every hairstyle like you can name of. I'm gonna try to like post some pictures and so you guys could see that I'm not lying. I'm just doing what I always do. My head feels so light right now. I'm trying to go really fast because it's already past 7:30. It's 7:45 right now. Like literally when I started filming, well, when I was getting ready to film, it was 7:20. Now it was 7:45. That makes no sense. I did not take 20 minutes to do this. Alright, I'm gonna contour real quick. This right here is so hard to open. Like, baby, you don't have all that. Thomas down there. So your girl forgot she got to detangle her hair, so we have ow and do that. I didn't blow dry my hair, by the way, so rookie mistake. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is, I'm not even trying to capture the camera, guys. This is just like really painful. Like, what the freak? My hair is shrunk, so oh my gosh, guys. Ow, what the fuck? This is painful. I don't know why I went to bed without detangling my hair, bro. Guys, I have to like brush my hair because it's not the true length. It's like a super, like way longer than this, but it's gonna stay like this right now. Alright, so I'm about to put on my edge control, you know, for my kitchen because it looks kind of crazy, and I'm gonna fix my edges because I did them yesterday but they look dry. I'm using Glaze Galore Edge Control Extra Glaze Stronghold. This is a stronghold for, you know, brown girls like me, and it's so pretty. I already used it, so I say you know it's good, and it smells so good, and it's pink. And my eyelashes is also from Glaze Galore, so baby, those are not sponsored, even though they did send me this a long time ago. Yeah, I'm not wearing my natural hair, so yeah. Let's do my edges. That's one thing I remember how to do with my edges. Yeah, I want a tutorial, and honestly, I don't know, because my hair hurts. I'm tender-headed. use the edge control yet because it's like super hold. Now I'm about to start using it. Taking a small denim brush because it's more precise since it's so small. It stays in like one little section. And plus, I can't find my big denim brush. So I just hit my shoulder so hard. I mean, my elbow so hard. That's nice. This is what I used to use when I was little, the headbands. I never used scrunchies. High and tight. Now I'm just gonna do the bun part. That's the hardest part and the most important part. I'm gonna do. Oh, let me see. Alright, guys, I think this is the hardest part. Alright guys, I kind of want to like a little bit higher, like right here, but that's fine because I gotta go. It's 8 o'clock. Like, y'all see what I mean? Time consuming. Now I'm just gonna like, I mean, I probably like, so you know, you left hair out on the side. Yes, obviously. I like that, like, I don't know, messy look. Hey, you have to go to school and get people's reaction because I already freaking know. I already should know they're gonna be like, oh, I saw your hair. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I think, wow, I got the bun kind of, you know, good on like my first attempt. Yeah, I was trying to form it. It wasn't my first attempt, so I did kind of good. So we're gonna head to school and see people say. Oh, hoping we might get smart because we could do it. We could do it. Oh yeah, and by the way, you guys should really like use perfume. It's like smells so good. I literally use it every single day of my life. Let me give y'all a quick OOTD. My jacket is cute. It's like a black army petite type of color. I mean type of style from Fashion Nova. It was around like $50. My shirt. It's some pretty little thing. It was $10. I think I got it on sale for $7, but I don't know. My chains, I really gonna ask me. Let me get to Julie after this. Okay, my pants are from Fashion Nova. These are my favorite pants. Maybe like I have a body. Maybe I have a body on. My socks are from my grandma, actually. And I made these socks myself. And my sneakers are from Balenciaga. As for jewelry, my chain that has my full name, this one right here is from It's Jewelers or The Jewelers, one of them, on Instagram. As you guys see, it says Icylinn. They gave me this to promote and it's so cute. I recommend you guys go get it. This chain is from MTO Apparel. It was like $50. They sent me that too. I have my promise rings. This one's from Pandora. I don't know where this one's from, some jeweler in the mall. So yeah, let's get these people's reactions. But get into the hair real quick. Who knew? Who knew?
That's so cute. I love the baby hair too.
Right? I still know how to do it.
I know.
I forgot how to do this button though.
In the back?
No, everything.
What you mean?
Took me a long time. I used to get it like one time, remember?
Yeah. With the ponytail itself?
Yes.
Or the bowl on top?
The ponytail.
I could have just did it for you.
No, I thought you were sleeping. It's not even like, it's like I had to wrap my hair. It's not.
Your hair?
Yes, this is my hair.
What you mean?
This is my hair.
Your hair?
Yes.
Let me see.
Wow, guys, my own mom don't know it's my hair. Oh, you are the shit. Alright, guys, I'm walking to school. I should have worn. I was gonna wear the first place because it's mad cold. Like, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to school. What? No. Niggas like they in my vlog. Huh?
I gotta tell me what I was for Halloween.
Okay, what was you calling?
Fabio Foreign.
What? What is that?
Fabio Foreign?
He did not have the big drip though.
I'm the big homie in the school. I'm the big.
This nigga just came. He nothing.
I'm the big homie. No, pussy. Oh, you can't curse on the
Can't curse. I'm gonna get demonetized.
It's around 6.
I'm a cat. Anyways, I don't know what. Oh, thank you. Anyways, he a hater. He know he like me. So hi. I got a question. Like who did that? I don't look good. Anyways, are you surprised about my natural hair? I've seen your natural hair before. It's not that big of a deal. Why you surprised today? I mean, yeah. Doing a video. Yeah. That makes sense. I just got trying to tell I don't look good right now. Okay, good. My hair be getting done soon. So. Yo, my eyelashes look so fucking good.
It's so fire. Oh.
Everybody, I like this is a regular thing. Like, this is not. Having my hair out is not a regular thing.
It's what?
Having my hair out is not a regular thing.
It needs to be.
Oh, you know what's crazy? Like my edges, I did those.
You always on your edges.
I be wearing wigs every single day. What you mean?
Exactly. You do the wigs edges.
My mom didn't think this was my hair.
I would have thought so too.
You wouldn't think it's my hair?
I would have thought so too.
She didn't think it was.
Oh, I think so. She thought
My
it was
own mother.
Yikes.
Buy this drink. Okay.
Don't do it. It's nasty.
Then it's wrapping up.
So I was calendar set.
Hey. Come here. We twinning. I'm the flyest teacher ever.
Hey.
Alright guys, so it's next video. Nobody's been surprised. Surprisingly. Get it? Nobody's been surprised, so I mean it's cool. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for the videos of me. And I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for love support. Just for complimenting me on my hair, because you guys know I wear wigs all the time. It's not insecurity thing, I just don't like my hair as much. But I really do appreciate you guys like complimenting me on my hair and stuff, because it makes me happy, you know? So, and thank you for everybody today that said I looked pretty and stuff and all that jazz. My hair is like going all over the place. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.